Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to what is another great video. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to install the world's cheapest light bar. Let's get started. So the only two things that you need in order to install the cheapest light bar in the world is basically one of these. I actually picked up 4 of these for about $20 or about 350 bucks, which is an absolute bargain. They're pretty bright as well, and they have 2 levels of brightness. That's max brightness, and half of the LED is lit up. In order to fasten these on, I'm going to need some cable ties, and these are actually pretty big and beefy ones. So the beefy cable ties will actually hold this to the grill at the bottom of my van. Without further ado, let's get started. So compared to light bars, these are actually pretty cheap, about $5 to about $8 a pop each. And they have about the same amount of LEDs. However, light bars are actually waterproof and etc. So I don't suggest that you leave this out in the rain unless you put some tape or some waterproofing over it. Furthermore, this has its own battery. That means you don't have to run wiring for this actual product. You just have to plug it in and run it on. These are actually about $5 as compared to an actual light bar, which is about $100 to $200 each. This particular unit has a lifespan battery life of about maybe 4 to 6 hours on max brightness, which is actually pretty good for what it's going to do. Okay, so to purchase this, I'm going to leave a link in the description below where you can find similar products like this on Amazon and eBay. Now, without further ado, let's actually install this on the van and see how it turns out. So installing this should be very easy. It's just a matter of stringing 2 cable ties and mounting this on the center. Let's get started and see how it goes. Okay, crap. So I installed this thing upside down. Your switch is supposed to be on the top here. Here goes the removal process. And just like that, the light bar is installed. Now as you can see, this is actually a pretty good idea. It worked flawlessly. Number two, it actually gives it quite a lot of brightness. So if you have an electrical malfunction or your lights are simply not working, it makes sense to just put that onto your vehicle. However, remember that light bars are technically not allowed for the road, so you shouldn't be switching that on when driving on the road. However, as you can see, the light spread is actually pretty decent. It actually lights up the floor much more, so you can see things at a closer range rather than further out. In a way, if you don't have fog lights fitted on your vehicle, this is actually a great alternative, and it only costs $5 plus 2 cable ties. And so guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more daily content coming soon. Until next time.